Hey guys, it is Tuesday. I just got up and, well, for the second time, the lighting guy was here today. I'm not exactly sure what we're doing today, but for now I'm just gonna have some lunch. Salami and brötchen. This was my breakfast slash lunch. So many days the last time I was here, so yeah. Okay, I love my unicycle so far, even though I clearly can't ride it, but I've got a lot of interesting bruises now from yesterday that I didn't have before. So practice makes perfect. I just finished editing yesterday's vlog, and the Austria-Hungary game is on in about 20 minutes, so we're probably gonna watch that, I guess. We're actually gonna go to the Netto real quick before the game to pick up some stuff. Not the brötchen I was looking for, but will do. Toilet paper and bread. What an enthralling journey. Game started about 10 minutes ago, so we're just gonna settle in for that. Finished the Hungary-Austria game. Hungary won 2-0. They kind of dominated. So now I'm going to try and ride my unicycle for like 5 minutes outside before we go somewhere to watch the second game.
Ja, es ist ganz schwer.
Versuchen Sie?
Nein.
So it turns out that trying to ride a unicycle on a public street is a good way to get people's attention and have a conversation with them. Whew. Okay, that's enough practice for now. Off to the bar. So this is Mehmet. He owns Shisha Istanbul. And that's where we've been going every day. This place is amazing. This is immer perfekt. And so, yeah. We just left the bar watching the Iceland-Portugal game. It ended in a tie, 1-1. Picked up some doner. Now we're on our way home. It is about midnight. We're back at the apartment. So I think I'm gonna call it a night. Jam out to some Kids Bop version of Hotline Bling and edit today's vlog. Bye!